give their proposals. So najitolea kuwasaidia to write those proposals. Nikech, you see, ka idi bunge, you're picketing, but you don't have a document. You say, I say, tell my proposals, kai, adwani, ka bill first reading, second reading, you consider these proposals. You see, your voice has to be there written. Casto nitie something called lobbying. For bills to pass in parliament, nyaka ibed gi jogi ma isewuoyo godo ing'eyo kaka gigieki. Yes, because that's how bills pass. Even kai neno in the American parliament system, you have your people who lobby for you in the bill. So our work is to look at the parliamentarians and see who have the best interests of the youth at heart. Casto, these legislative proposals was collect our comments from the various associations, content creators. We place them as their duty now to ensure the bill passes with these amendments. Casto, there's something else adwa wachoni ka the definition the monetization of digital content. Sani they've expanded it. Brand affiliations, marketing, crowdfunding. So the government is really looking out for any type of money that you collect online. So they should try to actually put this definition also in the income tax act, because all this now is being categorized kaka income, and it might bring issues of maybe double taxation. Nikech kama kaka owadwa owachoni you're taxed before you get your expenses. Tonite maybe other types of taxes kama kaka if you're having employees that you've employed kaka Eric Jogi, there's another type of tax onyalo. Yeah, so it's going to bring double taxation, and the taxation should be progressive. You see, Okenya chioni iketo 15% tax or